Catom ya, catom. Mana tuh bang ada kompetisi mana tuh bang? The powers, they have that kind of players. They can impact very quickly. They like Joseph can make a difference. They like Ramdas, they like Pasta, but they are little bit nervous somewhere, low in confidence. It's down. They are one goal behind in the first half now. Then now they are 2 goals behind. It was classic finishing from Vikas Mura. Maslan taking his time. The back from Shoti. Vikas Mura. Kanai to Rahim. Looks like not much remaining in this match for Deer Park. Shoto Ninjavite. Siapa akan natau? Bel pahali lagi. Vikas Mura. Suara sekali tak koordinasi dengan Bapak yang bola dan dapat.